Bit of a disaster, guys. Some of the parts came this week, some of the parts didn't. We're gonna have to improvise. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. The good news is we still have a video. The bad news, it's not gonna be on performance, guys. I'm sorry.
What did you say?
I know I promised you some performance upgrades in this video, guys, but unfortunately some of the parts haven't been delivered this week, so I'm gonna have to make you wait until the next video. It will be worth it though, I promise. I do still have something cool for you today though, guys. We're gonna be installing the Stubby Antenna from 3SX. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go check out the part. And for those of you who know the 3000 GT, it'll be replacing the monstrosity that is the OEM antenna. This is a fun little mod, guys, that's gonna make a massive difference to the looks of the rear end of the car. Now, the OEM antenna does have the automatic raising mechanism, but we don't give a shit about that. We just want something that looks aesthetically pleasing. So let's jump down to the garage, guys, and I can walk you through how to install the antenna.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my OG boy.
So first thing, guys, you want to fold down your back seats and then remove the carpet lining from the boot and also your wood paneling. Then, guys, you also want to remove the visor from the back. To do that, you just pop it out of the holder on the left and the right hand side of the boot. To disconnect the wood panel bracket, it's just 2 Phillips head screws, as you can see here. My bracket on the right hand side is broken away from the wood paneling, which is a regular occurrence, but we're going to go ahead and remove the screws from the bracket on the left side anyway. Quick tip, guys, I usually just put the screws back in place so that I remember where they come from during reassembly. Now, you don't need to remove the spare tire for this, guys, just the plastic box on the left hand side of the boot, and to do that you just need to remove the 4 screws here, 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 and here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So once the box is out, guys, you can see that I've left the screws in place so that I know where they go during reassembly. Now I can go ahead and remove the visor bracket, which just has 1 Phillips head screw, and the seat lock bracket, which has 2 Phillips head screws. Once those brackets are out, guys, we can go ahead and start removing the remaining screws that are in place for the panel. As you can see, I'm missing a couple of screws, so I'll replace them when we're reassembling. We also need to remove these little covers here, which will come out with a flathead screwdriver because there is screws in behind them keeping the panel in place. The next thing, guys, we just need to move the weather strip out of the way, and to do that we pull up on it gently from the ends just so it'll disconnect from the panel, which now gives you better access to the plastic cover. Okay, guys, so I have had to remove some more covers and screws from the center plastic panel, as it will give me more room when removing the left side panel. So you can see here that I have just had to move the center panel out a little bit, so it gave me room to move the left panel out from behind it. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the plastic paneling from the left side. When I'm doing this, guys, just be gentle as some of the plastics can be prone to break. Okay, guys, so now that the panel is removed, we can see that my automatic raising mechanism is not there. It must have been removed by the previous owner who installed an aftermarket aerial and has only connected it by the passive connection, as you can see here. So first things first, guys, I'm going to remove the old aerial and then get to installing the new Stubby Antenna from 3SX. I just give the panel a quick clean, guys, so that there's no dust particles or rust under the antenna when we install it, and then I start feeding the wires from the new antenna through into the boot of the car. Then I attach the 7/8 nut onto the back of the antenna before tightening it. Now that the antenna is loosely in place, we need to connect the wires. Now, I won't be using this as a power amplified antenna, so I won't be connecting the old power cable to the new one from the antenna. I'll just be taping them up. And as you can see, I've already connected the passive cable from the antenna. Alright, guys, so to tighten the aerial, we just need, we're going in just here, and you need a socket with a 7/8 inch and extension, and then we just tighten it up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Right guys, so that's tightened up. All the wiring is taped up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put the panels back in. I got this spark plug cover, guys. I'm absolutely loving it. I haven't put it on yet. Leave a comment below, let me know what colour you think I should get it powder coated, or whether I should just leave it like that as is. Maybe just get the letters powder coated black, or get the whole thing powder coated. Yeah, leave a comment, let me know. But it's getting cold, I'm going back upstairs. So there you have it, guys. One of the easier but satisfying mods you can do to the 3000 GT. Appreciate you guys watching the channel so far. If you're new to the channel, would really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button. We got some cool content coming up and some other projects on the go. Also guys, go check out my merch website. The link is down below. It really helps support the channel, and I really appreciate you guys checking it out. Thanks for joining today, guys. Until next time though, sláinte.